1 minute 37 seconds later.
Let's go YouTube, let's go hit the assignment. Assignment.
2,000 years later.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we are here in a lake in UniKl Mimet, and we are going to do an experiment of elastic potential by using what we say boat prototype. Come closer. Here we take a look at the boat. What do we use? A bottle, 500 milliliter bottle, ice cream stick, and 2 bottle cap, and also rubber. And lastly, to measure the length of the boat to move, we are using measuring tape. Okay, now we are going to make this boat move by turning this stick anti-clockwise. So we turn it anti-clockwise and the rubber will become stretched. So we are using the elastic potential from the rubber to make this boat move. Now my friend will measure this measuring tape to 1 meter to see whether it goes to 1 meter or not. Okay, now let's start. We put some water into this bottle. Now, let's go. So we already took the time taken. As you can see, it's far more than 1 meter. Okay, the project is successful.